Kittens, with their playful antics and adorable behaviors, are a source of endless fascination for cat lovers. From the first time they softly knead their paws against their mother's belly to the rapid pouncing and chasing of imaginary prey, kitten behavior can be both entertaining and perplexing. While these actions may seem like cute quirks, they are rooted in instinct, evolutionary necessity, and the gradual development of skills essential for survival. Understanding the science and purpose behind these behaviors can deepen the bond between humans and their feline friends and offer insight into the way cats, from their earliest days, are preparing themselves for a life full of curiosity, agility, and instinct-driven action. One of the most endearing and early behaviors kittens exhibit is kneading. This is when a kitten rhythmically presses their paws into a soft surface, often accompanied by purring. The action itself, though seemingly innocuous and even soothing, has deep evolutionary roots. Kneading is a behavior that originates from kittenhood and they are nursing from their mother. The kneading motion is performed to stimulate the flow of milk from the mother's teats. When a kitten presses their paws against their mother's belly, it encourages milk production. This instinctual behavior remains ingrained even after the kitten has weaned, and they may continue kneading long into adulthood. Often when they are in a relaxed or comforted state, as kittens grow older, their kneading behavior can take on new meanings. In some cases, it is a sign of affection and comfort. When a kitten kneads on a soft blanket, the human's lap, or even another cat, it is a sign that they feel safe and secure. Kneading becomes a ritual, a way for cats to self-soothe and calm themselves. Adult cats may knead when they are content or when they seek comfort, and it can often be seen in cats that have been raised in loving homes. However, while the behavior itself remains harmless, it's a fascinating glimpse into the connection between kittens and their mothers, showing how early instincts remain long after kittens leave the safety of their mother's care. Kittens also begin to exhibit pouncing and chasing behaviors early on in their development. These behaviors are fundamental to their growth as predators. Even though domestic kittens may never need to hunt for food, their genetic makeup has been shaped by millions of years of evolution, where hunting was essential for survival. When kittens start to pounce, it's a sign that their predatory instincts are beginning to emerge. These actions aren't just playful. They're honing skills that would, in the wild, ensure their survival. The pounce is one of the most instinctive behaviors a kitten will develop, and it involves multiple skills working in tandem, including sight, hearing, and coordination. At a very young age, kittens begin practicing their pouncing reflexes as a way of strengthening the muscles they will need for hunting. This may start with awkward attempts to leap onto a sibling or to swat at an inanimate object like a string or a toy. While the first attempts may lack precision, they quickly improve as kittens learn how to assess the distance between themselves and their target, adjusting their strength and agility to land the perfect strike. The practice of pouncing and chasing also strengthens their physical coordination, fine-tuning their ability to balance and move quickly, skills that will later be used to stalk prey in the wild. In addition to being instinctual, pouncing and chasing are also a form of play. Kittens play to socialize with their littermates, and the act of chasing each other or pouncing on toys helps them understand the dynamics of hunting. Play is the primary way kittens practice their predatory instincts in a safe environment, and it helps them develop their reflexes, eye-hand coordination, and even their ability to calculate timing and distance. Play fights between littermates often involve rapid pouncing, with one kitten attempting to capture the other in a mock hunt. While this may look like nothing more than fun, it's an essential training ground for developing skills that will one day be used to catch actual prey. As kittens grow, their social interactions become more complex, and their pouncing and chasing behaviors are vital for their development into confident, capable adults. This instinctual drive to chase, pounce, and stalk continues to play an important role in shaping their personalities and skill sets. The more kittens practice these behaviors, the better they become at understanding the world around them and navigating it efficiently. This is not just limited to hunting, it also affects how kittens will interact with other cats or pets in their home. These instinctual behaviors create bonds and hierarchies among siblings, setting the stage for how they will behave in a group setting, whether with other cats or even humans. but why do kittens seem to have such boundless energy and enthusiasm for pouncing and chasing? Part of the answer lies in their need for exercise. Just like humans, kittens need physical activity to maintain good health and stay mentally sharp. They have an innate need to release energy through movement. Pouncing and chasing provide an outlet for that energy. It's not just about fun, it's also a way for kittens to practice crucial motor skills, build muscle strength, and develop their stamina. In fact, the importance of these behaviors for young kittens cannot be overstated. Pouncing and chasing are foundational actions that prepare kittens for the agility and endurance they will need as adults. Another intriguing aspect of kitten behavior is their obsession with chasing anything that moves. This behavior is an extension of their predatory instincts and can often be triggered by even the smallest movements. Whether it's the flick of a dangling string, the rapid movement of a hand, or a piece of paper blowing across the floor, kittens are wired to respond. This instinctive reaction helps them develop their tracking skills, enabling them to hone in on and capture prey. The rapid movement of a target, no matter how small, captures a kitten's attention, and it becomes an irresistible force. The pursuit of a moving object is a natural drive that kittens learn to harness, developing not only their motor skills but also their concentration, focus, and precision. This chase instinct also plays a critical role in how kittens bond with their owners. Humans, while not prey, can often trigger this instinct when they interact with kittens using toys, strings, or other objects. The act of playing together reinforces the kitten's relationship with their human companions. It fosters trust, affection, and socialization, all while allowing the kitten to satisfy its predatory instincts. These moments of interaction help shape a kitten's personality and teach it valuable lessons about how to behave around others, including people and other animals. Though pouncing and chasing are instinctual, kittens also start to show other fascinating behaviors as they grow. For example, some kittens may begin to exhibit what's called hunting play, where they stalk, crouch, and silently approach their targets before pouncing. This behavior mimics the careful steps that a wild cat might take when stalking prey, and it's a crucial part of their development. It teaches them patience, stealth, and precision, all of which are essential skills for a predator. Though these movements might seem exaggerated or over the top, they are essential for building the reflexes and hunting strategies that a kitten will carry into adulthood. Over time, kittens refine these behaviors, learning not only how to pounce and chase but also how to deal with the consequences of their actions. They learn when to be gentle and when to strike hard, when to retreat and when to stay focused. As kittens mature, their instinctual behaviors develop into habits that will stay with them throughout their lives. Even as adults, domestic cats can often be found pouncing on anything that moves, chasing after shadows or light reflections, and kneading in moments of comfort. These behaviors, while seemingly playful, are in fact deep-rooted survival instincts that keep cats agile, alert, and connected to their wild ancestors. In the end, kitten behavior is a complex mix of instinct, learning, and growth. Kneading, pouncing, and chasing are all part of a larger tapestry of actions that help a kitten develop the physical and mental skills needed for survival, socialization, and companionship. These behaviors are not just charming or cute, they are the foundations upon which a kitten will build its life as a hunter, a companion, and a creature of habit. The next time you watch a kitten chase a toy or knead your lap, remember that these are the building blocks of their natural instincts, preparing them for the life they were born to lead.